Hello students, hope all of you are fine. All of you are staying home, staying at home, staying safe. Don't go outside because the condition is very now I am very scared because in my locality also there is one COVID or not only one, very 10 or 12 COVID positive is there. So all of you, it is my request, don't go outside, stay at home, stay safe. Okay. Students, I have completed the chapter our fundamental rights. Now I am going to start the second chapter of your half yearly syllabus, that is the legislature, union government, parliament and the legislature. Students, first you have to know what is parliament. Parliament is the highest democratic ruling or governing body of our India. Next day I will show you one flow chart of parliament. Today I am orally explaining the part. Parliament is the main or highest governing body. It consists of three parts: legislature, executive and judiciary. Our central government, you know that Modi is our, Narendra Modi ji is our prime minister. So he is the member of that our parliament or the member of our that legislature. So what is legislature or what is union legislature? Actually in our country there are two types of legislature: union legislature and state legislature. What is the difference? Union legislature is for the central government, it is for the country, and state legislature is for that particular state only. So students, now I hope you can understood what I have told. So that union legislature is our topic. What is union legislature? That means what is central legislature? Central legislature means the body who makes laws for the country. I told you that there are three parts of parliament. One is legislature, another one is executive and last one is judiciary, and head above parliament is the president. This is our structure of democracy of India. So legislature, the work of the legislature is making laws for our country. Whatever laws we are following, whatever laws the government will follow, whatever changes are there, each and everything will be made by that legislature. Now tell me, what is legislature? Who are the part of that legislature, union legislature? Actually the legislature or the parliament is divided into broadly two parts, that is Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house of the parliament and the Lok Sabha is the lower house of the parliament. Lok Sabha is known as the House of Commons. That means for all, but we all people, we all cannot participate in the session of the Lok Sabha. So students, I hope you could understand whatever I told. Parliament consists, parliament means the highest governing body of our India. Parliament is divided into, actually not divided, parliament is consists of three parts, that is legislature, union legislature, executive and judiciary. Legislature, the work of the legislature is making laws for the country. And I am telling few more points, that work of the executive is implementing those laws made by the legislature. The executives implement those laws among the people, and the work of the judiciary is protect those laws, to maintain those laws. Now I am telling in my point that union legislature is divided into two parts: Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. Rajya Sabha is the upper house and the Lok Sabha is the lower house. Next day I will explain the another part. If you are having any doubt, then you can freely ask me question. Till then, bye bye. And once more warning for you, don't go outside, wash your hand with soaps properly and don't go outside, stay at home, stay safe. Till then, bye bye.